According to autoinsurance.com, carmakers issued an average of 21 recalls in 2024. And while auto manufacturers are on the hook for these repair costs, representing a multi-million-dollar hit to their bottom line, vehicle buyers play a role too. They must actually bring their vehicles in to have the service performed. It's been well documented that many of them don't, and a recent study by Carfax illustrates just how many that is. Carfax contends there are more than 58 million vehicles with an unfixed recall, a figure that represents 1 in 5 vehicles on US roads. Carfax says this number has increased 16% in the past 2 years. Even more troubling, 14 million of them have 2 or more open recalls. The firm says these ongoing unresolved recalls are, quote, significantly raising the risk of critical safety component failures, potentially involving brake systems, airbags, and seatbelts. So why does this gap exist? A 2017 study by the University of Michigan blamed recall ambivalence on customers' fears of being upsold on other repairs while at the dealership. Respondents to their survey also said they couldn't spare their vehicles for the time it took to get the repair and that the wait for the fix was too long. Carfax says it has been working with the NHTSA as well as vehicle manufacturers to help close these recalls, and the data points to where they might start first. Texas leads US states with the number of registered vehicles with 2 or more open safety recalls. They have 1.6 million. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.